everyone, welcome back to the Fresh Plate. Today we are cooking up a quick, delicious, and classic Thai dish, cashew nut chicken. It's savory, slightly sweet, and have a perfect crunch from the cashews that we all love. So let's dive right in. First, we have to prepare the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, and 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. Mix all ingredients of the sauce well. Now in a wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil and half cup of cashews. Fry cashews until they are lightly golden brown. It takes around 4 to 5 minutes. Remove the cashews from the wok and add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Fry garlic until light golden brown. Add half cup of sliced white onion, 500 gram of boneless chicken which I cut in finger shape. You can cut into cubes also. Cook chicken until change its color. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper to enhance the flavor. After 5 minutes, add prepared sauce and cook on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. This dish is packed with flavor with juicy chicken, crunchy cashews, and a sauce that's out of this world. Now add 2 deseeded and diced Thai red chilies, 2 dried long red chilies, 1/4 cup of sliced bell pepper, and fried cashews. Now toss on high heat for about 1 minute. Turn off the heat and garnish with freshly chopped green onions. And that's it. Thai cashew nut chicken. Serve it up over some steamed rice or enjoy it just as it is. If you love the recipe, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe for more recipes that brings restaurant flavor right to your kitchen. See you next time.